And nothing better than watching a good game with some great game day food. Let's see what the chef's making. All right, perfect football weather, perfect football food. Our favorite chef, Frank Terranova, Class Cooking. Good.
Okay, what's happening now is, getting away from the nachos, and they're fine in their own respect. But we're going over the top a little bit. These are absolutely delicious. These are tater tot poutine. And you need just some basic ingredients. You need tater tots, you need some accoutrements, and you need, these are the killer. These are the cheese curds.
Okay,
Now, these are cheddar cheese curds, which you would open up the bag and eat them just out of the bag. That's how delicious. So now we've got some tater tots, which we already baked off. Now we're going to start doing the whole topping. And we're going to start with
my favorite.
Well, it survived. That's why it was way in the front. We got some cooked bacon. Then we have some pepperoni sliced. Now goes the cheese curds. And you can just sprinkle these anyway. And then after the cheese curds go on, we're going to add some pickled jalapenos. Oh, nice. And these are nice. These are not, once again, these are not going to knock anybody out. Then we have some diced tomatoes. These tomatoes are gorgeous.
They look gorgeous.
Oh, man, I can't believe it, how beautiful these things are this time of the year. Of course, they're hydroponically grown, but they're really beautiful. Right. And then we have some scallions. Looks like a lot.
Yeah.
Back into the oven for like 2 minutes.
Okay.
And this is the sauce. This contains, and it's really tasty. The sour cream, sriracha, Worcestershire sauce, a little splash of vinegar, and it's really good. It's not gonna, it doesn't knock you out. It's not overpowering, but these are really, really delicious. This is a good way to start breakfast.
Yeah, really.
If you really want to get into it.
Right, I know. So good.
Yeah, then you can add. It's always nice to take the cheese with a little bit of the heat because it'll kind of neutralize it a little bit. If you're doing like with the jalapenos. Yeah,
definitely has a little kick.
A little pop, nothing much.
Love it though.
Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Perfect to watch. The Patriots win. What do we call it?
Who are they playing? Oh boy. This is called jalapeno. No, jalapeno. I'm all right. So you got me so excited about the game now.
I know you love them so much.
This is called tater tot poutine.
Recipes on our website.
Turn10.com.
Go Pats, and we'll see you next week.
We'll be here.